There are 5 main foundations in traditional Chinese medicine which Chinese physicians use in treatment. One of them is the foundation, of course, nutrition and eating a well-balanced diet. The second one is something that we call acupuncture, where you're stimulating the flow of qi and blood, energy and blood throughout the body for healing. The third type of energetic practice that we have in Chinese medicine is called exercise therapy. That's qigong and tai chi. Wonderful at also enhancing the flow of qi and blood. One of the other ones that we have in Chinese medicine is called herbal medicine. Chinese herbal medicine, very powerful at healing so many different types of ailments in the body that sometimes that we don't need acupuncture, we can just use herbal medicines. But the last type of foundational therapy that you probably have never heard of is twee-nah, spelled T-U-I-N-A. That's a specific type of oriental body work. If I were to take a chiropractor, a massage therapist, and an orthopedic surgeon and wrap them all up into one person, even maybe physiatry, which is working with the body's flow and motion, you would have a Chinese twee-nah physician. Now, these physicians are highly trained, up to 12 years of medical education, and they would probably be massaging you before you went into surgery. They would be performing the surgery, and they would be seeing you outside the surgical suites, more like in physical therapy later on after your issue has been resolved. The great thing about twee-nah is that it also uses different types or specific types of therapy by the therapist. And what I mean by that is, for instance, rolling is one of the unique specialties in Chinese medicine, twee-nah, that we literally use for breaking up stagnation of qi and blood. Now, the meridian system in Chinese medicine, all of these energy highways that flow throughout the entire body that are connected with organ systems like the lung, the large intestine, the pericardium, all of these meridians have to continually flow qi and blood for us to remain healthy. If we have blockage or stagnation, that creates unhealth and also that ultimately leads to a state of dis-ease and a lot of symptomology. So in order to keep the body's flow of qi and blood manually circulating, we can use twee-nah techniques. You may have also heard of, or maybe even experienced, something called shiatsu, a Japanese type of pinpoint therapy. Now, every single one of these energy highways has specific acupuncture points on that. So you might say this is a trigger point therapy, or maybe this is acupressure. All of those would be underneath the umbrella of twee-nah or Chinese bodywork. It's an amazing type of energetic bodywork that people not only get great relief from, it's actually kind of centralized or focused into different areas. So you're definitely not going to fall asleep during a twee-nah massage. It's very energetic and very vigorous, but it is so beneficial at breaking up deep-seated problems, more like a deep tissue massage, I would probably attribute that to. So if you've never experienced twee-nah, oh, you're in for a real treat.